Hi, it's Zoe here again. So today I'll be doing a house tour before my renovation finishes. So let's go. So I already opened my door. Let's go. So as you can see, all my Japalang things all around. My ID has covered my floor so that all her stuff won't be, um, you know, won't scratch my floor. So this is my scenery. A lot of construction works are still going on, but I can see the lake. Oh my god, I'm so happy. Yeah, so this is the Xingxiong, and then this is the biggest I can open a window, and then there's a function building over here, and then there's the sky is pretty. So there's industrial buildings over there. I'm afraid I dropped my phone. Okay, so this is a 十字路口 over here. I'll just close my window first. Okay, so paint. So on this area, it's all aluminum. As you can see, all this are all aluminum. They may look like wood, but they're not. Okay, they're all aluminum. As you can see, what I mean by aluminum is, you can see this looks like wood, but inside it's aluminum. Cost a bit more expensive, I would say, because it doesn't get rusty. I mean it doesn't get rusty, yes, and it's waterproof for our kitchen, so I think it's good. And then for this this cabinet here, this is made of wood because my ID says wood is eco plywood, and it is better for heavy things. Yeah, you can turn it, and then yeah, you can put it back. Yeah, good for my, like, so save my space lah. Okay, and then now I still have my balcony, but I won't have it soon because I want to seal this up for window. Nice sky, because I want to waterproof this area. So pretty. Okay, close it up. Okay, so lock this up. This thing is quite annoying. Okay, I think I need to use 2 hands for this. Okay, and then maybe I won't need to use that door ever again. My stuff. Another room. I did the cupboards. I'm pretty pleased with the cupboards. And my bathroom. see a bathroom, very dusty, dirty. Well, these are not done yet. Another bathroom. Open up. Oh my god, it's locked. Okay. Yes, my corridor. I can see the corridor. Yeah. Nice. Okay, close it back. Oh, lock it up. Okay. The shower. I don't like this thing, so I change it. Okay. I did some stickers so that they put my racks and all the toiletries, handles, bars, stuff. This is my vanity cabinet. This is my master bedroom. A bit bigger than the rest of the rooms by this area. So here you can see what you see just now. Same thing. A really nice lake. There's some construction going on. I think my bro will live over there. Alright. My aircon's still not up. My smart lights. And yeah, this is my house tour for now. Still not quite ready yet, but it's taking shape slowly. So hope to see y'all again when my house is ready. Yeah. So bye-bye. So I'll see you guys again when my house is really ready for my second house tour. And subscribe so you still can find me, and I'll update again. I'll be going to Gardens by the Bay maybe next month. Is it next month or next month? There'll be videos coming out. Okay, so subscribe and you'll see me again. 안녕.